This video focuses on the detailed procedure for starting a neem tree from seeds using paper towel method. Start growing the neem tree from seeds when the temperature is more than 20 degrees Celsius. Get fresh neem seeds, not older than 12 days because the seeds are short-lived and will not germinate after 12 days from the date of collection. Soak the seeds in water for 1 day to speed up germination. Take a kitchen paper towel and put the seeds on it. Spray water and fold the towel. Enclose the towel in a Ziploc bag or polythene bag and place in a dark warm place. It is pointed out that the old seeds are more difficult to germinate, also the lower the temperature, longer the time to germinate. Do not buy fully dried seeds. It is better to get some ripe neem fruits and squeeze the seeds and use them. Such seeds are best for growing a neem tree. The seeds will sprout in a few days. Take a pot which has many holes at the bottom. Fill the pot with a free-draining soil. Mix washed coarse river sand or perlite in potting mix to make the soil free-draining. The seeds will rot in water-retaining soil. Sow the germinated seeds ½ inch deep in soil. Place the pot in a warm bright place. Keep the soil damp. Transplant the neem seedling in a larger pot or ground when it is 3-4 inch tall. Please like and share the video. Also please subscribe the channel to know when the new videos are posted.